this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a music soundboard or soundboard, music board, whatever you want to call it. So first what you need to do is create a sprite. Now just change it to whatever color you want. I'm just going to do something random. It's red. And just do like whatever shape you want. Just put the text on there saying what it's called. So let's say this one is going to be video, no, just like computer beeps. It's going to be a soundboard, this one. You could probably make it look a lot better than mine, but I'm just making a really simple bad one. So when you have your sprite, go to sounds, get rid of the pop sound unless you want to use it. Now you can either choose a sound here, or record a sound, surprise, just choose a random one, or upload sound. So if you want to make a music board, you can just upload one. But right now I'm just going to choose a sound. I'm going to do action effects. Good enough. I'm just going to make it a bit softer. There we go, that'll work. And then do, when this sprite clicked, play sound, whatever sound you called it. So I just want to move it there. Now start the game. And there it is. And you can create tons of these as well. Like, for example, I'm just going to create a really bad looking one just saying boing or something like that. And sounds. Yep, so there's your stuff. And there you go. That is your soundboard or music board or whatever you want to do with it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, and keep coding. Bye.